Let's talk about how we can scatter, paint, and put lots of trees or objects on our scene. We do such as these things with the populate tools. The populate tools, we have main tree category, placed, past, and urban. In a place, in this lesson, we want to explain paint tool. It's not paint a texture, just it's paint an object. Paint tool is very easy. It has a diameter of painting tool, and here you have to drop your model, your object, or anything that you want scatter on a surface. For example, in vegetation, bushes, for example, I want to scatter trees, bushes, and everything. For example, trees. Scatter trees, something like that. You can drag and drop trees here. Or any tree that you want. For example, another tree, any tree that you want, and then click and drag. Scatter with diameter randomly these objects. It's easy. If you don't want, you can erase them. Eraser and painter. It's very easy. And after painting, you can change diameter or you can add other things. For example, bushes. Drag and drop, and immediately in the place that you paint before, you see the bushes are coming there. Nice. And it has a layer ID for exporting. I will be explaining it later. And if you click on any of these tools, you can delete them. You can go to the library. You can directly change the main setting of, for example, trees that I explained before, edges, and any details of the trees here, or the setting of the bushes. You can change the density of that. Of course, if you click the tree, you can change the density of the tree at the paint. This tree, density of this tree. And if you don't want them, you can delete. So it paints everything. For example, you can paint rocks. Just click and drag the rocks at this box. It's automatically place everything that you need here. You can turn it on or off if you want. That's very easy and simple. Painting object on your landscape.